the mat. We have Apa, we have Nakwa David Aiden of Lahog Elementary School. And Gasalatan Rio, Pardo Elementary School of 9 to 10 years old Kata boys, please be in the staging area. We have Pinote Mike Ethan, Boris Kosh Daniel, Sobrio Lil Tristan, Pansenko Van Chinderson, Pasay Nathan, Labora Mike Kyonglor, Cortez Jaman Axel, Gabato Jacob Roque, Diaz Chris Luke, Miralias Lexos Nairobi, Padaka John Yusef Dave, Bonganoy Iniego Sante, and Impuerto John Minio. Winner of Gasalatan Rayo, Pardo Elementary School.